Are you looking for the best MIG welder? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best MIG welder on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. The Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI is a great MIG welder for home use. The FCI in the name means flux core inverter. Inverter technology is lighter than traditional transformers used in most welders, meaning this welder delivers 140 amps even though it only weighs 19 pounds. The one thing this welder doesn't offer is true MIG capability. Flux core wire doesn't deliver the same clean, indestructible level of welding as a gas-shielded arc. It provides shielding by evaporating flux. For the average home welder, the difference is minor. The 140 amp rating is about as hot as you can get without stepping up to 220 volts. That's enough to weld 1/4 inch steel. The duty rating on this machine is 30% at 90 amps, pretty astounding on a machine in this price range. At number 2. Etosha MIG 160 Welder. This Etosha MIG 160 welder is an economical multifunction welding machine for both professional welders, welding hobbyists, and beginners. This MIG device uses 0.6 to 0.9 mm flux core wire and is a completely gasless welder that runs on AC power source. Its 110 AC, 60 Hz power input is suitable for welding stainless steel and mild steel. With its overheating protection feature, the machine stops automatically whenever it is overheated. Also, it has IP21 waterproof protection to work safely, even if water splashes accidentally. This portable flux core wire gasless welder comes with an easy-to-start 160A arc and comfortable hand grip, which let you weld white steel, raw steel, sheet metal, metal cage, staircase, square pipe, etc., and thus makes it a perfect welder for outdoor repairs and home DIY repairs. It is a lightweight, compact, and portable inverter welder that comes with a heavy-duty cooling fan, large radiator with dual ball bearing to increase airflow for a cooler environment and to enhance great performance and durability. The brand warranty on this MIG welder is 1 year long and the entire outer body of this welder is made out of metal and plastic. At number 3. ESAB MIG Welder. It is a mainly MIG welder, but can also do processes like flux core, MMA and stick TIG. With its large TFT display, the user will get a clear view of the weld parameters and settings, even from a distance. It is a lightweight machine that has a unibody steel construction which makes it reliable and durable. Regarding the warranty, it has a 3-year warranty. This item can be quite expensive for the regular person. If you have saved up a little bit of money and want to spend them on a high-quality MIG welder, then choose this one. This MIG welder is really good but can be pricey, even if you have saved up some money. At number 4. Millermatic 211. Miller Welding has been around for many years now and are the choice welders of many larger industrial fabrication companies. These machines have a proven record for quality of components and the quality of the welding itself. While Miller machines are generally more expensive for the average DIY workshop, they are considered one of the best machines available. The Millermatic 211 is the ideal solution to DIY and small workshop. This is a capable, multifunction machine that will cover all the bases for general welding. This MIG welder will run both gasless wire and MIG gas welding with solid Y. It will weld both mild and stainless steel up to 1/4 inch thick and aluminum up to 3/8 thick. At number 5. VIVOHOME Welder Machine. VIVOHOME Portable MIG 130 MIG Welder is a compact machine that operates on 110 volts DC current and provides 50 to 120 ampere welding current. This is a gas welder that uses metal inert gas that prevents oxidation of the welded surface. This MIG welder is specifically designed for mild steel and stainless steel. It is ideal for welding automobile body parts or similar thin sheets of metal. You have complete control over the welding speed of the VIVOHOME portable MIG welder by either varying the current flow of wire feed. The design of this MIG welder is compact and lightweight, as it is made out of stainless steel. This provides you with the option of easy transportation. As for the duty cycle rating for VIVOHOME Portable MIG Welder, it is rated at 15% when used at 105 amperes. It comes with an overheat protection feature available that will prevent the MIG welder from damage due to constant use. You also get a free welding helmet and a welding brush with it.